A good example of this is how the show's audio is mixed. Music is frequently so loud that it's hard to hear what characters are even saying.
You're on for too long.
And this has been a recurring problem since Series 1. Across almost 20 years of different editors, directors, and showrunners, this problem will not go away.
Open the gate! Use that kingpin, come on!
Sonic screwdriver.
Use it! I can't leave you, what will you do?
I must defend Her Majesty now. Don't think of me, just go.
Stop. You could very well be standing right outside a trap street.
This is devastating as you're imagining. Grateful you weren't there.
This is Commander Rinsmore. The fleet is under attack from insurgents.
Let me see.
Oh my god, look at the baby.
I'm getting flashbacks to Sonic Adventure 2.
What you see is what you